If you're looking for a watch that's elegant, durable, and affordable, this is the one. It's designed to match every outfit, whether you're heading to work, a meeting, or a night out. Premium finish, comfortable fit, and precise timekeeping. You can actually feel the quality.
In this video, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful, versatile, and completely free AI video generator that anyone can use. With this incredible tool, you can easily create stunning images as well as high-quality animated videos in just a few simple steps. Every visual you are seeing here has been created using this platform, and as you can notice, the results look truly impressive and professional. This AI tool is designed to help you transform your ideas into eye-catching content without needing advanced editing skills or expensive software. One of the best features of this amazing free AI video generator is that it also allows you to create longer AI videos with ease. So, if you have been searching for how to make AI videos for free, then this video will be the complete solution for you. I'll guide you through the full process step by step, showing you exactly how to use this tool so you can start creating stunning visuals and professional AI videos for yourself.
Before going further, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon.
Step 1. Creating account. Just click the link in the description below, and it will take you directly to the Google Vids website. Once you're there, simply sign in. It's very easy, you can use your Gmail account to log in. Step 2. Text to image. After signing in, a screen like this will appear. Click on the blank video option. Once you do that, this interface will open. On the right side, click on the image option to go to the image section. Now, let's create our first image using text with this AI tool. First, type your prompt into the prompt box. I'm entering a detailed prompt to see what kind of image the AI generates from it. Next, click here to choose the aspect ratio for your image. I'm selecting 16:9. If you'd like to add style to your image, click on this icon. From there, you can choose styles such as photography, background, vector art, sketch, watercolor, or cyberpunk. Finally, click the up arrow button to generate the image. In just a few seconds, your image will be ready. You can see how impressive the generated result looks. It matches the prompt perfectly. Now, right-click on the image and select Save Images to save it to your system, so we can convert it into a video later. Step 3. Image to video. In this second step, let's test the image to video feature with Vids. For this, click on the VEO button in the right panel, which will take you to the video generation section. Here, you can see that with VEO 3.1, you can generate an 8-second video clip with audio in 720p, completely free. Next, click here to choose between create from scratch or animate an image for video generation. First, we will test the animate an image option. Now, click on the add image button and upload the image we created earlier. After that, paste your prompt into the description box, then select the aspect ratio for your video from here. Finally, click on the generate button. As you can see, the video is created in just a few moments. Absolutely incredible, just look at the stunning outcome. The way the still image has been transformed into motion is truly impressive and gives it a realistic, dynamic feel. What makes it even better is the added background music, which enhances the overall experience and makes the video far more captivating and enjoyable to watch. Now, let's convert one more image into video. First, upload the image. Once the upload is complete, type your prompt into the prompt box and begin the video generation process. After a short wait, the final result is ready for you to see.
If you're looking for a watch that's elegant, durable, and affordable, this is the one. Premium finish, comfortable fit, you can actually feel the quality.
The outcome turned out exactly as we described in the prompt. You can see that without a camera, crew, and without any heavy budget, we are generating such great ads for absolutely free. This is the power of AI, which allows us to produce hours of work in minutes and on a very small budget. Step 4. Text to video. Now, let's try the text to video feature. First of all, from here, we will choose the Create from Scratch option, then we will enter our prompt in the description box. I am testing this detailed prompt, so that I can better understand the capabilities of this AI video generator. Now, hit the Generate button, and here is the result. As you can see, the scene looks absolutely stunning. It gives the feel of a professionally produced movie sequence, with sharp visuals and impressive detail throughout. Let's test something new this time with a completely different prompt. I've entered another detailed description. Now simply click the Generate button, and here is the result. The final output came out exactly the way we described in the prompt, which is truly impressive. The video quality is outstanding, with sharp visuals and smooth details throughout. Even better, Veo 3.1 lets you create these amazing videos completely free of charge. Now, I'm about to show you how vids break the 8-second limit to create long AI videos. As you can see, the first scene is already in the timeline. Next, we will click on this play button, and from here we will drag the cursor to the end of the video and go to the last scene, and click on the Windows plus Print Screen button to take a screenshot of it. This next step is optional. The screenshot shows the Veo logo. You need to remove it, otherwise, you might end up with a double Veo logo on your next clip. To remove a watermark from an image, click the link provided in the description and open the website. Once there, click the Upload button and choose your image. After the image is uploaded, you will see two options, Auto Mode and Manual Erase. Select Manual Erase, highlight the watermark area, and click Apply Selection. Then, click Remove Watermark from Image. Within a few seconds, your clean image without the watermark will be ready. Finally, click the Download Image button to save it. Now, come back to Vids. First, change the generation type to animate an image, then type your new prompt. This time, your prompt should pick up where the first clip left off, so I'm entering this new prompt in the prompt box. Next, click Upload Image and upload the frame you just saved. Hit the Generate button, and here's what we got. Let's watch it. You can see that this new clip starts from where we took a screenshot of the last frame of the previous video, and the result is again superb as per the prompt. Time to stitch those two clips together and turn them into a story. Simply click Insert Frame to add the second clip to the timeline, and let's see how everything looks. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? With this method, you can keep adding clips and build out a full story as long as you wish. To download the video, go to File, and Download as MP4 video. I experimented with both image-to-video and text-to-video tools to produce these clips, and I also combined some clips together to build longer videos. The results came out very impressive, with clean visuals, smooth motion, and an overall professional, well-finished appearance. You can generate 10 AI videos per month with this free AI video generator, and if you have 10 Gmail accounts, you can increase the number of these AI videos to 100.
If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure you give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.